Hello friends, welcome to a new video. In today's video, I am going to show you how to generate videos using Seedance in n8n. So what is Seedance? So Seedance is a latest AI video generation model by ByteDance, which is the creator of TikTok and all of. So they have just come up with a new AI model, which is amazing and which is better than VO3. So basically in this Seedance, what we can do is we can generate text to video or image to video, or we can also generate videos up to 10 seconds, as well as we can also generate videos with full HD quality, which is 1080 pixel resolution, as well as it also support different aspect ratios. So that means we can from like the VO3, we can create the videos in 9:16 or 1:1 or in many other ratios. So that means apart from the VO3, you will be able to generate more type of videos which can be used in your Instagram or TikTok or YouTube shorts and all. So in this video, I'll just show you how to use n8n for generating videos using Seedance AI model. So now let's get into the video. So for creating the Seedance videos, we are using the API from the website called WaveSpeed AI, and I'll just add the link in the description so you can just try to use them. And now let's start with the workflow. So we have created a workflow in which it will create videos for one of our client, which is a beauty salon in Dubai. So what we have done is we have created one Excel sheet with all the details, what all categories they are having, and the services what comes inside that. Okay, so for example, they are having hair service and treatment, and it's also having something like the hair ironing, hair coloring, full highlights, and all those type of things. So we have created a Google document for this one, and after that, when we start this trigger, it will get the service details from this Google sheet, and after that, it will just randomly select one of the service list from here. First, it will load the Google sheet, and after that, from the Google sheet, it will just randomly select one of the service and the category, and after that it will pass us to the OpenAI model for generating the video prompt. And once the video prompt is generated, we are just saving the video prompt in another Google sheet. This is another Google sheet where we are just adding the category name, service name, and the prompt which is generated by the OpenAI model. After that, what we are going to do is we are just getting this prompt and passing it to the WaveSpeed AI API by using the Seedance model. And after that, once it's submitted, we will just wait for the WaveSpeed AI to generate the video. And after that, if that succeed, we'll just get the video details and we'll just parse the MP4 file from that and save it to the Google Drive. This is one of the video just created using this automation. Okay, now let see what all are inside this workflow. Okay, we'll just open the first workflow, which is the trigger one. Okay, this means like we click on this execution workflow, it will just start executing the workflow, and after the execute node is done, it will just go to the service list, which will open this Google sheet. Okay, if I'm just going to do that, it will just open this Google sheet, and after that, if I just click on this execute step, it is just fetching this details from the list. Okay, it's getting the like items from this from my Excel sheet. Okay, you can see that it's having 93 items. Okay, once this step is done, okay, so I'm just fetching the from the Excel sheet which I have shown you, and after that, this is the sheet name, and after that, what we are just going to the next node, which is the code node. Okay, so here what we are going to do is we are got this services, right, having 93 items. From that, we are randomly selecting one from that. Okay, if I just execute this step, we can see that it selected one category and the service name from this 93 list. Randomly select. If I just click on next time, it will just select the next one. Okay, same like that, it will select the next one. Okay, now it's just selecting different type of services from my list. Okay, this is the code node which does that option. Okay, now let's see that like having this full hands, and after executing this node, we are just passing these details to the OpenAI node. Okay, it's the LLM node. Okay, what happened is when we execute this step, we have just created a prompt in which we are saying that, okay, you are a senior prompt engineer who create a detailed prompt in 500 characters, because Seedance, it supports 500 characters. Okay, that's why I just mentioned it as 500 characters. Okay, 500 characters. which are required videos using Seedance. Okay, it's required creating videos using Seedance. Okay, so I can just add my detailed prompt here. If I need to improve the prompt, I can just put from here. Okay, after that, here are the information. So I'm just passing the category name as well as the service name, and it's just mentioning it's for a lady salon Dubai. The maximum length of the video is a second. Make the prompt simple and precise. Okay, this is my prompt. Okay, it's the instruction what I'm going to give it to the LM. Okay, once this step is done, I'm going to execute. Let's see. Have just selected this nano model, which is cheaper from the OpenAI. I'm going to execute this one. Okay, once it's done, I can see that this is a prompt which is created. Okay, it's saying that okay, an 8-second video for a ladies salon in Dubai showcasing this detail. Okay, this is the prompt created by the OpenAI. Okay, the video. Okay, after doing this one, what we have done is we have saved details in the Google Sheet. Okay, you can see that this is the Google Sheet, and if I just run this one, it will just copy the from the LLM and save it to the Google Sheet. Okay, you can see that it will be saved to the sheet. Okay, once this is done, okay, this is done. Okay, this is the sheet, and automatically save the video prompt to the Google Sheet. Okay, because actually this is just for the reference. Okay, we need to do something. We can see why if the video goes wrong or something, you can see which prompt is there, and if you want to improve the prompting, if you want to improve the even to the LLM, we can also improve them. So that's why I'm just keeping one log. It's just a log for keeping the video prompt. Okay, once this one is done, what we are going to do is we are just is our generation node. Okay, it's the HTTP request node. Okay, I'm adding this video generation node, and here what we are doing is we are just the method. Okay, generating the Seedance video. This is the HTTP request node which uses the post method, and this is the URL for the Seedance. This model, it's having a lot of other models also. Okay, so you can also try to change this one, and after that we are just adding the authentication details, everything. If you want to set up in this credentials or the authentication key in a separate, you can also do that. Okay, I just directly here, and after that I'm just passing all these details. These are the details which are required for the generation. Okay, we have just set these things, and once it's done, we are going to execute this step. Now what we have done is we have submitted this generation prompt to Seedance model for generating the video. Okay, so this is done now. Now we need to wait for some time, because actually after submitting we won't be able to get this video immediately. Okay, we have to wait for certain time. I have just added the wait time as 3 minutes. Okay, if you want to decrease that, normally it takes like 3 minutes for generating a video in WaveSpeed. So that's why I just added just 3 minutes. Okay, if I just try to execute this one, it will wait for 3 minute, and once it's done, I'll be to get the result. Okay, after waiting, so you can see that this is like for 3 minutes now. Okay, after that I have just added a condition. Okay, the if condition, the data output. Okay, is the output from this one. Okay, it's if when we are submitting, the output will be null. Okay, it will be empty. So that's why we are just waiting for 3 minutes. After that we are just checking whether the output is empty or not. Okay, if it's then what happened is we'll just go again. If it's empty, that means the condition is false. Okay, if it's empty, means the condition is true, so false. So it will again wait for another 3 minutes and wait for that. Okay, if it's true, that means like we are having any value in the output, then what happened is it this true condition, and it will go to the HTTP request node. Okay, here what we are doing is we are just requesting again this one. Okay, so we are just going to passing the get. So this is the get URL. Okay, what happened is like we submit, we have to again request and see whether the video generation is done or not. Okay, for that we are requesting again this URL to the WaveSpeed AI. Okay, this is happening here. So when we are requesting, we need to again pass the detail, the authorization period key and all. Once this one is done, what happened is just passing this URL to get whether the output. Now let's wait this to be completed. Okay, now it's completing. So let's see whether it's getting any detail. After that it goes to the if condition. Okay, so what happened is after waiting, it goes to this this node, and we can see that it's having this details, and let's try to execute this step. So what happened is if it's having the output values, it will go again, and if it's not having, it will just it's not having any value, it will wait again. So after that we will be able to get this values here, and we can can request for the video. So now we can see that it's having the video here. This is the video, because now we have requested and we got the video here, right? And after that we have added another node for getting the video file, because this is the video file is there in the output in this variable. So what we need to do is we need to request again this video file. We are doing that here, and once this one is done, it will be able to get the video as a file. So we have just added the response as a file, and this is the video, and if you download, we'll be able to see this video here. So this is the video that they have created. So you can see that it's created the 10-second video for the henna. It's the video, and you can see that it's showing some text also. So what we can do is we can just update our instruction for the LLM, and we can instruct that we can say that we don't need to include any text or anything in the video. So now this is also done. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to save this in our Google Drive. Okay, for that I have just selected my Google Drive and all the path and everything, and once I execute this step, it will be saved within my getting video from this, and it's saving the Google Drive. Now it's saved file to the Google Drive, and if we just refresh, we can see that it's saved with the timestamp. Okay, so I have just named the file as like the created time. So if you go to the schema, we can see that it's having a field called created at. So I have just, because it will be unique, right? So for that I just added the file name with this created at timing, and so now the video is created and it's added to the Google Drive. So if you download the video, we'll be able to see the same video what we have seen before. So the flow for creating Seedance video using n8n, okay, and which create for the video and all. We can just execute this one, or we can just trigger this one with certain timing and all. We can create different videos, or if you want to enhance this flow to and combine different videos to one video and create a long video, maybe like 1 minute video or 50-second video, and use it for your marketing purposes. Okay, so this is how you can create video using Seedance. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.